Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. So today we will continue a new chapter, chapter 6, which is linear equation. Okay, basically for this chapter, it is a continuous from the previous chapter, chapter 5, which is algebraic equation. Okay, so in order to understand this chapter better, you need to master, or at least you need to understand the concept of the previous chapter, chapter 5. Okay, so linear equation in one variable. Okay, so there is three terms that you need to know. Firstly, linear equation and one variable. Three different things: linear equation, one variable. Okay, so I'll explain one by one. So linear equation in one variable. Okay, diagram A, diagram B. The amount of money in diagram A equal to amount of money in diagram B. Okay, equation means that there must be an equal sign. Okay, to satisfy something is an equation, you need to have a equal sign. Okay, so x plus 2 equal to 5 and y minus 7 equal to 11. Okay, this is an equation because it has equal sign. Alright. Okay, next equation. Alright, linear. Okay, linear means that it is the variable is to the power of 1. Okay, so the question is, what is variable? So variable is an unknown. Okay, an unknown where you classify as A, B, C until Z. Okay, it doesn't matter. Usually people will use X, Y or Z. So this is a variable X, Y, Z or blah blah, starting from A until Z, doesn't matter. Okay, so linear means all these variables must have power of 1. Okay, X, Y, Z is power of 1 because like here. Okay, X to the power of 1, Y to the power of 1, Z to the power of 1. But we usually doesn't write to the power of 1. So X alone means that X is X to the power of 1. Okay, it's same thing. So usually people didn't write this one. Okay, they only write X. Okay, so if you see any equation which consists of like this: x square, y square, x cube, y cube, means that this one is not a linear equation because linear the unknown must be to the power of 1. Okay, but this one is to the power of 2, to the power of 2, power of 3, power of 3. So it's not satisfy the condition of linear equation. Okay, so please be aware of that. The variable must be to the power of 1 only. Okay, like this. X plus 5 equal to 8. Yes, it is a linear equation because X is to the power of 1, like this. Okay, but people don't write 1. Okay, communication center. Discuss why k squared plus 1 equal to 6 is non-linear equation. Non-linear means that it's a not linear equation. Okay, k squared plus 1. Oh, of course it's not a linear equation because previously I already explained that the unknown must be to the power of 1, but this one is to the power of 2. So therefore it's not a linear equation. Okay, so you already understand about linear. And now one variable. Okay, one variable means that variable is unknown from A, B until Z. Okay, to satisfy the condition linear equation in one variable, okay, there must be only one type of variable in the equation. Okay, for example, x plus 2 equal to 8. Alright, it only has x as the variable in this equation. But x plus 2y equal to 8. There is two variables in here, x and y. So it does not satisfy the condition of linear equation in one variable. Tak boleh ya, hanya boleh satu jenis variable sahaja. Yang ini x sahaja, so satu variable. Tapi yang ini ada dua variable, x dan juga y. Okay, tak boleh. So salah, bukannya one linear equation in one variable. Okay, kalau macam ni, and you can see here the example. Okay, this one is linear equation in one variable because it has only x. Okay. So y equal to 2, y over 2 minus 10 equal to 1. Yes, it is a linear equation. Linear because the y is to the power of 1. Equation because it has an equal sign. And one variable because there is only y. Okay, so this is linear equation. Okay, for this one, 6p plus 4q equal to 9 is an equation because it has an equal sign. But even though p and q to the power of 1, but there is two variable in here. In one equation, there is two variable which is p and q, which does not satisfy the condition. Okay, you need to have only one variable. So no, this one is no. Okay, 3n plus 1 equal to 6n. Okay, equation, yes. It's a linear, of course, yes, because n is to the power of 1. But the problem is there is two type of n. Is this one a one variable or not? Yes, it is one variable because it has one type, which is, even though it's separate, but both are 3n and 6n are both are with unknown n, the same unknown, so it doesn't matter. So this one, it satisfies the condition, which is linear equation in one variable. Okay, which is the variable is n. Alright, so you can see here the conclusion. Linear equation in one variable is must be power of 1, only one variable, and equal. Okay, example 1. 3x plus 2 equal to 5. Explain whether each of the following equation is a linear equation in one variable. So 3x plus 2 equal to 5. Yes, it's a linear equation in one variable because equal sign, the x to the power of 1. And then there is only one variable which is x. Okay, so this one is yes. So B, p minus 4q equal to 6. Oh, you can see it directly. There is two type of unknown here, which is p and q. So therefore, this is not a linear equation in one variable. Okay. C, for this type of question, you need to expand first. Whenever you see the bracket, you need to expand first the bracket. Okay, so let us refresh back how to expand this one. 2 bracket k minus 7. Okay, whenever you see 2 and then there is no operation between 2 and the bracket, no operation, tak ada simbol antara 2 dan juga bracket, maksudnya tengah-tengah ni adalah darab. Okay, so 2 multiply with k, 2 multiply with k, 2 darab k adalah 2k. So 2 multiply with negative 7, 2 darab negative 7 adalah negative 14. Make sure when you want to multiply, don't forget about the negative. The negative is belong to 7. Okay, negatif tu 7 yang punya. Jangan lupa negatif tu. Make sure awak darab dengan 2. So 2 darab negatif 7. So dapat 2k tolak 14 sama dengan k over 3. Okay, so this one no problem because it has only one variable which is k, and it is to the power of 1 and it's an equal sign. So it is linear equation in one variable. Okay, D, y squared. Oh no, this one is no, because the unknown must be in the power of 1, but this one y is in the power of 2, so cannot. So it's a non-linear because it's in the power of 2. Okay, so you can try to do 6.1a. Okay, continue. How do you form linear equation based on a given situation and vice versa? Okay, example 2. Form a linear equation in one variable for each of the following. Okay, for this one, it's given a sentence and then you need to form an equation. Equation means that the one that has the equal sign. Okay, but this one, they give you sentence. So A, subtract A, 8 from a number and its remainder is 2. Okay, a number. You need to subtract 8 from a number. Awak kena tolak 8 daripada satu nombor tu dan bakinya adalah 2. Tapi awak tak tahu nombor tu apa. So therefore, you need to, so the number is unknown. Okay, unknown means that variable. Okay, variable, you can just put anything. So for me, I put X. Okay, subtract 8 from a number. So a number, we subtract 8 and the remainder is 2. Like this. Okay, B. Pak Ching bought 5 pens which cost Y cent each. Okay, he bought 5 pens which cost Y cent each. Means that 5 pen, Y cent. So means that 5 times Y, 5Y. And an exercise book which cost RM3 ringgit. The total amount that she paid was RM7. Okay, means that Pak Ching, she bought a pen, an exercise book, and the total she paid is 7 ringgit. So the price of the pen is 5Y plus 3 ringgit for the exercise book equal to 7 ringgit. Okay, as you can see here, the common mistake is, the problem is the pens is in the unit of cents, but the book is in the unit of RM, and the total she paid is in the unit of RM. Okay, first of all, whenever you want to write an equation, you must make sure that all the number that you add is in the equal unit. Okay, when it's in RM, make sure the other number is also in RM. Or maybe if one number is cents, make sure all the number is cents. Or maybe kilogram, make sure all the number is kilogram. Okay, you cannot just add with another unit. Okay, kilogram plus with gram. Okay, cannot do things like that in equation. Alright, so for this one is cents. 5Y is cents because the price of 1 pen is Y cents. So this one is in cent. 3 is RM. 7 is RM. So easy way, you need to convert RM to cents. Okay, so 1 RM equal to 100 cent. So 5Y plus 3 ringgit means that 300 cents equal to 700 cents. Okay, easy like that. Okay, example 3. Write a statement of situation for each of the following equation. So A, 2x plus 5 equal to 19, where x is a number. Okay, as you can see here, the number x, firstly, we multiply it by 2. And then we add with 5. And then the product is 19, is it? So you need to find a nice words to put it in sentence. Okay, for example, the number was double. Okay, whenever you multiply by 2, it means that double. Multiply by 3, triple. Okay, and so on. So x is a number, so you just use that double. The number was double and add with 5, which result 19. Okay, actually there will everyone will have a different sentence, so you don't have to worry. Okay, semua orang boleh buat ayat masing-masing asalkan maksud dia masih sama. So for me, I will write the number was double. Double means multiply by 2 and add number was double and added with 5, which result 19. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, next one. Y minus 2 equal to 8, where Y is the age of Rajesh now. Okay, so the age of Rajesh is Y. Y minus 2 equal to 8. Okay, it means that minus 2 means that the age is minus by 2. Means that it's 2 years back. And then add the 2 years back, Raj's age was 8 years old. Is it? So, in the textbook, they wrote that Rajesh was 8 years old 2 years ago. Okay. So 6.1. Okay, you can just write any sentence you like to. Okay, as long as the meaning is still there. Tak kisah pun, okay? Janji maksudnya sama. Semua jawapan akan berbeza-beza. Don't worry. Okay, self-practice 6.1b. Okay, you can try to do this one. Number 1 and number 2. Okay, continue. How do you solve linear equation in one variable? Okay, so for this one, you are going to solve. Solve means that, for example, previously, we know that x plus 2 equal to 7. So for this one, solving means that you need to find the value of x. You need to find what is x. Okay. So there is 3 types of method that you can use: the trial and improvement method, application of equality concept, and backtracking method. Okay, so I suggested that you guys use the second method. Okay, because jarang-jarang orang guna trial and improvement method dan juga backtracking ni. Macam jarang lah. Okay, so I will only teach application of equality concept because ini yang selalu orang guna. Even sampai you form 5 pun, they will use this method. Okay, so solve to but it's okay. Teacher akan ajar juga awak basic tu macam mana maksudnya, macam mana nak buat method tu. So but then I will only use this one. Okay, so firstly teacher akan ajar dulu macam mana nak buat. So to solve the linear equation 2x plus 1 equal to 7 by using trial and improvement method. Okay, so for this one, 2x plus 1 equal to 7. Okay, this one method ni sangat leceh ya, sebabnya awak kena try and error. Maksudnya awak kena masukkan dalam x ni 1. Okay, contohlah x ni 1. Value of x 1. Gantikan 1 plus 1. So awak dapat 2 darab 1, 3. 2 darab 1, 2 tambah 1, 3. Okay, padahal equation dia kata 7. So maksudnya x tu bukan 1. Okay, so kalau bukan 1, awak gantikan 2 pula. 2 dalam x, 2 bracket 2 tambah 1. So 2 darab 2, 4 tambah 1, 5. So masih belum lagi sama dengan 7. So maksudnya x tu bukan 2. Okay, besok bila masukkan 3, 2 darab 3, 6 tambah 1, 7. Okay, so 7 ni sama dengan 7 dalam equation tu. Okay, so maksudnya x tu adalah 3. Okay, sangat leceh sebabnya awak kena cuba satu-satu nombor. So this one is not a good method. Okay, so this one I very recommend you to use this one. Okay, so 2x plus 1 equal to 7. Okay, macam mana cara nak cari x? Okay, first sekali nak cari x, awak kena singkirkan nombor-nombor dekat sebelah x tu. So apa nombor kita tak perlukan on this side? Kita tak perlukan 1 tu, betul tak? Kita tak perlukan 1 tu kan. So 2x plus 1 equal to 7. Okay, kita tak perlukan nombor 1 tu. So kita buang. Cara nak buang dia adalah 1 tu kena tolak dengan 1 sebab ini adalah positif 1. So positif 1 tolak 1, awak akan dapat kosong. So bila kosong akan tinggal 2x saja dekat sini. Tapi dengan syarat bila sebelah sini awak tolak 1, sebelah sini pun awak kena tolak 1. Equality maksudnya sama adil. Okay, bila kiri awak tolak 1, kanan pun kena tolak 1. So 7 tolak 1 dapat 6. So sekarang awak nak cari x saja. Okay, senang awak fikir macam ni. Dia akan berlawanan operasi tau. So kalau sini tambah, sini akan jadi tolak. Okay, kalau macam ni 2x. 2x maksudnya adalah 2 darab x. So macam mana awak nak hilangkan 2 tu? Awak kena lawan kepada darab adalah bahagi. Bahagi 2. So bila sini bahagi 2, sini pun kena bahagi 2. Sama adil. Equality. So x sama dengan 3. Okay, easy. Tak payah nak ganti-ganti masuk. Okay. Okay, so ini yang cikgu tak nak ajar jugalah backtracking ni. Okay, kita cuba buat ni. 2x tambah 13 per 5 sama dengan 7. Okay. 2x plus 13 divided by 5 equal to 7. Okay, first sekali bila awak nak cari x, awak kena singkirkan 5 pecahan dekat bawah tu. Okay, cara dia adalah, pecahan ni adalah sama juga dengan bahagi. So, bahagi lawannya adalah darab. So, awak kena darab dengan 5. Sini darab 5, sini pun kena darab 5. So, potong. So, awak akan dapat 2x tambah 13 per 3, equal to 35. Okay. And then, kita nak x saja. So, 13 tu tak perlu. So, cara nak buang ni adalah, 13 ni adalah tambah. Kan operasi tambah kan. So, bila nak buang dia, kita kena guna operasi sebaliknya. Iaitu, tolak. Tolak 13, sini tolak 13, sini pun kena tolak 13. So, akan tinggal 2x sama dengan 22. Okay. So, awak nak x sahaja. 2x tu, 2x sama juga dengan 2 darab x. So, awak kena buang 2 tu. Buang 2 tu guna cara yang, guna operasi sebaliknya. Kalau darab, operasi sebaliknya adalah bahagi. Bahagi 2. Potong. Tinggal x sama dengan 11. Okay, so itulah jawapan dia. X sama dengan 11. Okay, seterusnya. 5. Ni soalan dia. 5x tolak 4 sama dengan x tambah 16. Okay, first sekali bila awak nampak bracket-bracket tu, tolong expand dia. Expandkan dia. So, expand, awak kena darab. Bila tak ada equation, simbol antara 5 dan bracket, maksudnya dia adalah darab. So, 5 darab x, 5 darab x tolak 4. So, 5 darab x, awak akan dapat 5x. 5 darab dengan negatif 4. Pastikan awak ambil negatif sekali. 5 darab negatif 4, negatif 20. Sama dengan x tambah 16. So, awak nak cari x sekarang. So, awak kena singkirkan negatif 20 tu. So, 20 tu adalah negatif. So, nak buang 20 tu, awak kena guna simbol sebaliknya. Kalau sini tolak, sini awak guna tambah. So, tambah 20, sini pun tambah 20. Okay, so tinggallah 5x. X tambah 36. Okay, sekarang awak kena, untuk awak nak cari x, awak kena kumpulkan x tu dekat satu side, satu bahagian yang sama. Okay, sekarang x ni ada dekat belah sini. Ada kat sini dan juga ada kat sini. Okay, so awak kena pindahkan. Okay, cara dia adalah, x ni awak tak nak ada kat sini, ni tak nak. Awak kena pindahkan. So, x ni adalah tambah kan. Simbol dia positif kat depan kan. So, kalau awak nak buang x ni, awak kena tolak. Sini kalau tolak, sini pun kena tolak, sama adil. So, sini akan jadi 5x tolak x. 5x tolak 1x. 5 tolak 1, 4x. Sama dengan, okay, ni dah cancel. Tinggallah 36. So, 4x sama juga dengan 4 darab x. So, awak nak buang 4 tu, awak kena buat operasi sebaliknya. Kalau tadi 4 darab x, darab. So, kalau nak hilangkan, kena buat bahagi. Bahagi 4. So, x sama dengan 9. So, itulah jawapan dia. Okay. Okay, jom kita cuba buat last one. Kita cuba buat. Macam mana nak buat? Okay, so ini adalah soalan dia. Okay, tapi nanti awak kena buat juga ya. Kita buat sama-sama. So, A. X minus 10 equal to 3. Okay, cara awak nak cari x. Awak kena hilangkan dulu 10 tu. Okay, awak tengok sini. 10 ni adalah simbol tolak. Nak hilangkan 10, awak kena, kalau tolak, nak hilangkan, kena buat operasi sebaliknya, iaitu tambah. Okay, bila sebelah sini tambah, sebelah sini pun kena tambah 10. Okay, ini dah hilang. So, x sama dengan 13. So, inilah jawapan dia. Okay, B. 4x tolak 1 sama dengan 7. Okay, awak nak cari x. Awak nak cari X. Tolak 1. Okay, tak nak tolak 1. Bila tolak, kita kena guna operasi sebaliknya, iaitu tambah 1. Sini pun tambah 1. Nak hilangkan, awak kena guna operasi sebaliknya. Kalau 1 tu simbolnya negatif, awak kena guna tambah 1. So, dia akan jadi 4X sama dengan 8. So, nak hilangkan 4 tu macam mana? Sebab awak nak X je kan? So, 4X maksudnya 4 darab X. Bila nak hilangkan 4, awak kena guna operasi sebaliknya, iaitu bahagi. So, bahagi 4, bahagi 4. Potong-potong. Awak akan dapat awak akan dapat X per 2. X equal to 2. Okay, X equal to 2. Okay, C. X per 6 tambah 3 sama dengan 5. Okay, macam mana nak hilangkan 6? Okay, first sekali bila awak nampak macam ni, awak kena hilangkan pecahan dulu. Ya. Ataupun tak kisahlah mana-mana. Okay, contohlah awak nak hilangkan 3 tu dulu pun boleh. So, kalau nak hilangkan 3 tu tambah kan. So, awak kena tolak 3. Okay, so awak akan dapat X per 6. Ni hilang sama dengan 2. Okay, sekarang kita nak hilangkan 6 tu pula. So, 6 tu adalah bahagi, pecahan, per kan. Bila bahagi, dia akan jadi darab. So, darab 6, darab 6. Potong, akan dapat X sama dengan 12. Okey, D. X tambah 8 per 2 sama dengan 9. Okey. Hilangkan pecahan dulu. Okey, kalau macam soalan macam ni, berbeza ini, soalan ni dengan D, C ni berbeza. Kalau macam ni, awak tak boleh pindahkan 8 dulu. Sebabnya 8 ni terikat dengan pecahan. Dia terikat dengan pecahan. Kalau awak dah hilangkan pecahan 2 tu, barulah awak boleh pindahkan 8. Tapi kalau macam soalan C ni, 3 tu tak terikat dengan pecahan. So, awak boleh pindahkan dia dulu. Okey, faham? Berbeza ya. Kalau D ni, awak tak boleh pindahkan 8 dulu. Awak kena hilangkan pecahan. So, ini per 2. Per maksudnya bahagi 2. Nak hilangkan 2 tu, bahagi lawan dia adalah darab. So, X tambah 8 sama dengan 18. Okay, nak hilangkan ni, tolak 8, X sama dengan 10. So, ini jawapan dia. Okay, awak try buat E dan juga F. Okay, tak apa cik, awak buat je semua. Buat balik sendiri. Okay. Okay, ni nanti cikgu sambung sikit lagi. So, awak buat ni, Mastery Q 6.1. Buat nombor 1. Buat nombor 3. Buat nombor 4. Nombor 4 ni, cikgu tak nak awak guna backtracking. Cikgu nak awak guna equality concept juga. Sama. Cikgu tak nak yang lain. Nak equality. Okay, buat nombor 1, 3, 4. Okay, buat tu dulu. 1, 3 dengan 4. Okay, nanti kita sambung semula. Okay. So, make sure awak buat ya latihan awak. Okay, itu saja untuk hari ni. Nanti kita sambung lagi 6.2 for next class. Okay, Assalamualaikum.